Welcome to my channel. Delicious recipe. Mutton tind. Let's make delicious mutton, Tinday. First we will boil the mutton with onions. After that we will fry Tinday. When the tines are fried, take them out and add ginger and garlic paste in the same oil and mix it well. Add finely chopped tomatoes and later add boiled mutton in it. Now add finely chopped chilies in it and cook it well. Now add red chili, salt and turmeric. Add yogurt. Now add the fried tinda in it and cook it well. Add homemade chopped spices. Now we have the 10 days cooked and ready. Now we will garnish it with green coriander and enjoy.
Alhamdulillah.